of.
Boy, major storm to the west. At one point today at Amarillo, Texas, heavy snow, winds were gusting to 75 miles an hour. Tremendous wind here in the blizzard. We've had up to 15 inches of snow in the Texas Panhandle. Now it's headed for Missouri. Parts of Missouri may get 16 inches of snow out of this. Red's blizzard warning, pink's winter storm warning. For us, the precip's at about St. Louis right now, moving northeastward. You can see where it's at right now. Here's the viewing area, and there's the precip. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but it is near St. Louis. This purple, that's a winter weather advisory, and that's for tomorrow morning as the precip heads our way and interacts with pretty dry, cool air bleeding in with those east winds. We're looking at freezing rain, sleet, perhaps a little bit of snow, mainly north of I-74 in the generally 5 a.m. to about 10 or 11 a.m. time frame. So some slick spots possible in the morning. Tonight we're running pretty close to 33. It's 33 Peru, Logansport, Winamax, 34 Lafayette, but still 37 at Crawfordsville. You can kind of see the dry, cool air bleeding in from the east here. And again, as we precipitate through that dry air, you get evaporative cooling. So we may fall down to right around 30, 29 or 30 for a while tonight, then rise a little bit with the overcast skies coming in. And then as we precipitate through that dry air, we drop to 31 at 8. And then once we get past 10 a.m., it'll be all rain. We'll start to warm up to 36 for the high temperature, 36 at 4. Then by late in the day into tomorrow night especially, we go back to snow. So there's 4 a.m. going overcast over most of the viewing area. Here's the band of snow, sleet, freezing rain. Be a little bit of snow. I think a good chunk of this is going to be freezing rain and sleet, though. Moving through the viewing area in the morning, there's 11, and then the freezing line moves northward with time. This is 7 p.m. tomorrow evening, and notice a lot of the area is still in some rain, but notice the snow slowly creeping in, and we'll transition to periodic snow as we get into tomorrow night. And we'll have periodic snow through Wednesday, and then taper to snow showers once we get into Thursday. And I think by Thursday, 1 to 3 inches of snow, good bet, area-wide from this, except in the far north. So Morocco, maybe near Brook, Rensselaer, Wheatfield, DeMotte, over towards near Winamac, Rochester, and Monterey. 3 to 5 inches in that area, and a lot of wind with this system. We may get some winds gusting perhaps up to 35 miles an hour at times, and get used to the windy, raw, chilly weather because it's going to hang on through about March the 8th. Big deep trough in the eastern U.S., cold all the way down to Florida with some periodic little waves of scattered snow showers from time to time with this, but eventually it will change. And I really think once we get towards around March 10th, March 12th, much warmer air will come in from the west, and we're looking at perhaps highs in the upper 60s near 70 at that point, at least for a day or two. So tomorrow, mix in the morning, then it's to rain, and eventually changing over to snow tomorrow night. Some periodic snow Wednesday, more snow showers on Thursday, some flurries, couple scattered snow showers Friday into Saturday, and then we dry out, just partly cloudy Sunday and Monday with the raw weather kind of hanging on. We should be in the 40s for the average high. We're going to be in the